Hello, welcome to Sonic Pi. In this chapter, we're going to be learning about how to make music with code. And Sonic Pi is not written in Python language. Everything we've played around with so far has been Python based. This one is a little bit different. We'll use a lot of the same concepts like looping and saving things as variables, but we won't um, it'll just look the syntax will be a little bit different, and but I think you'll be able to understand it. Now, in the upper left-hand corner, we're going to be writing code. There's different buffers, so as you click on each buffer, yours will probably look more like this, which just says welcome to Sonic Pi. These are places for you to write code. You can write a lot of code in one, or you can put some code in one and others in another, and other stuff in another. Um, when you shut down for the day, the code will still remain in that buffer when you start it up the next day, which is nice. However, sometimes something happens with Sonic Pi or uh, something breaks, and the kids didn't have a copy of it. So if you wanted to have a copy of it, you just click save. Here is where we run and stop, and up here is just kind of some help things that this tells us what's happening as it's running. And here's our help menu. If you click up here, that'll go away. If you click it again, it'll come back. And it'll have some examples, some synths, some effects, some samples, um, and it helps us change. And this tutorial is going to be fairly similar to mine, but this goes more in depth on certain issues. So if I just do a quick run, I could run this, which loops a little beat, and then I can come back here, and this does another loop. So that's just a small taste of what can happen. And we could have put that all in one, and so I didn't have to click at certain times, and you can time it all out, and we'll learn much more about it. This isn't something to do right now, that's just a little taste of what you'll be able to do.